Safety in military equipment is not about conflict, it's about readiness, protection, and responsibility. In unpredictable situations, the right equipment can be the difference between chaos and control, between minor injury and lasting harm. First aid kits, slings, tourniquets, and protective gear exist for one reason: to preserve life when time and resources are limited. In emergencies, help is not always immediately available. A well-equipped first aid kit allows injuries to be treated early, reducing complications and preventing small problems from becoming critical. Simple tools like bandages, slings, and gloves empower people to act instead of standing by helplessly. This kind of preparedness protects not only the individual carrying the equipment, but also teammates, civilians, and anyone nearby who may need assistance. Ultimately, safety equipment represents foresight. It acknowledges that risks exist and chooses readiness over regret. Whether used in training, operations, disaster response, or everyday emergencies, these tools serve a single purpose: to reduce harm and give people the chance to recover, return home, and move forward safely. Purchasing proper safety equipment is an investment in confidence and discipline. Knowing that you are prepared encourages calm decision-making under pressure. Feel safer today and invest in our range of high-grade safety equipment so that you are prepared for every occasion. Visit our website at www.nicheoffersolutions.co.uk/NHS or contact us via telephone at 012 72796 5089 today.